Chriso. I'm just about to roll in my first coat. I've done the cutting in. Now I can roll the walls, roll the floor, roll away. But yeah, I was saying before, if you don't do your waterproofing properly, you're wasting your time tiling, because you don't want a leak. That's a no-no, people. Waterproofing's not hard to do. It's just be conscious of what you're doing. Life's a breeze, isn't it? It's a nice day today, not too muggy. I think it's about 28, which is nice. The humidity's not high. So a lovely drying day. I've got to take that off yet. I've got some of these in my van, I just haven't come across them yet. These suckers, which I'll put on here. I just got to turn the water off, slide that off, put them on, whooshka, and it's done. Then I can waterproof that bit. I'll come across those in my van. They're there. I bought like 10 of them before Christmas. And when you're not using something all the time, it goes astray. Right, I'll come back to you shortly. See ya.